Welcome to this supported yoga. You can use a chair, the wall, a sofa today. This is gentle. It's to make our body feels good with balance, coordination, and mobility. So let's just start. Take a nice breath here. Maybe move your feet a little, feeling the ground, okay? Keep a nice bend in your knees. And let's start spinning the hip, just the hip. Just turn your hip gently. If not, something doesn't feel right, skip it. Maybe opening the leg a little bit to accommodate the movement. Then the shoulder and then the head. You've got your chair right here. Maybe a low up there with a little side bend, just a little bit. Maybe your hands on your hip, maybe both are on your chair. It's all great. The other side, just turn your hip, maybe open the leg, see which one feels better if you have hip issues. Hips turn, shoulder turns, head turns, maybe a nice little sweep, maybe just a little bit. It's almost like a little tree pose, right, with a little wind catching us, but both feet stays on the ground. Let's try that again. This time, put your hands on your hip or on your chair, or maybe inhale them up or just one up. So inhale the hands gently up, maybe one is down. Hip turns, shoulder turns, the head turns, hands down. Maybe open the hip, see which one feels good. Oh, maybe a little sweep here. Oh, nice. Other side, turn your hips, shoulders, maybe open the hip to accommodate the movement. Turn your head gentle. Maybe make sure you got your chair here to hold if you need to. Maybe it's the wall. Maybe you got your hand on the windows. Oh, now let's go slow again. Turn the hip, shoulders, the head, okay? You got that? You can just do just that if you want. Maybe open the knee, maybe swipe. Oh, center, other side. Ooh. And let's flow that gently. Gentle movement. Exhale, center, other side. Exhale, center. Well, I'm ready for a little fold here. So you've got your chair, your wall, maybe nothing. So I'm taking a little distance because I'm gonna bend my hips. So we were twisting our hips. Now we're just gonna take our waist. Maybe put your hands here and just go down slow. Oh, nice. Inhale, nice straight back. Exhale, round your back. Look down to your feet. Grab your chair if you want to go a little deeper into this. Looking down, neck is super relaxed. Maybe your hands wants to come down. It's all good. You pick your variation. This is your yoga. Your yoga. Inhale, flat back. Maybe you're here. Nice flat back. Exhale that down. On the inhale, press into your feet. A little bend in the knee all the time. Maybe hand goes on the hips. Maybe they come back up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, round your back. If the breath is too much, just remember not to hold it. And inhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale, round your back. Inhale, flat back, elbows are in. Exhale, down. Inhale, come back up. Fix your hair. That should have tied them up, of course. Oh, now let's work with our heels here. Let's Let's lift one heel. And then the other. Lift, like you're going jogging, but your toe stays on the ground. Little hip shift, if you want. Shift your weight like cha-cha. cha. 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. When you go on that cruise, remember to take that little free lesson they have, little dance class. It's always fun. Oh, now let's lift our toes. I'm coming a little closer to my chair. Just 1 foot. Nice stretch here. The other knee is bent. Other side. Now I'm adding a little mini shift with my hip. So toes up, toes up. Nice little shift here. And then we can do both. We can rock those babies. So toes up, heel up, toes up, heel up. Rock the baby here. Just remember not to hold your breath. It happens sometime when we're taking too hard. Other foot. Just rock that foot nice. You want to do both feet at once? Oh, now you need your chair, huh? Especially when you lift the toes, you don't go like, they're gonna find you at the other end of the room. So you've got that option here. Oh, nice rock. Gentle and rock. Oh. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, toes up, ooh la la. Exhale down. Heels up, down, toes up, down, heels up, down. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, merengue. Oh my goodness, little lateral openness here to wrap us up. So you've got your chair wherever you want to hold it. I'm just gonna make a little space, maybe a little bit bigger than my hip distance, my feet just right. Ooh, just go slow here, see how it feels, a little side to side. Now let's go on one side, make sure it's fine. We're gonna open the chest, so look up a little bit if it's fine with your neck. Shoulder, send that upper shoulder gently back. Doesn't feel good, come out of it. Huh? Oh, nice. Ooh. And swipe the arm. Other side, maybe you've got the chair on both sides. You just turn your body so if you need to grip it. It's all good. Oh, shoulders open. Swipe the arm. Gentle so you don't hit it. Oh, now little waves. Little wave. If your arms are coming in instead of out, it's all good. It's just nice movement. You're moving, right? You're doing something? Maybe you're sitting down and your toes are moving, which is more than you were doing. So, whew, little swimming motion. Ah, lift the knees a little bit if it works for you. Oh, little ankle rolls and wrist, coordinate that, the round foot, opposite hand. Ooh, neck. You don't have to do it all at once, but it makes us think, huh? Oh, just take a moment to see how your body feels right now. Take one last breath with me. Exhale. Oh, now you can follow me into your next path if you want. Pick another video to continue with, and I will see you there. Thank you for joining me today. I am Anne Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga. Namaste.